Why do ducks love water so much? How do they keep their feathers clean? And can ducks actually fly? In today's episode, we'll dive into the fascinating life of ducks, their habits, their homes, and the secrets behind their waterproof feathers. Let's explore one of nature's cutest water birds. Have you ever seen a bird that swims like a fish? That's not just any bird. That's a duck. A charming creature that can swim, walk, and even fly. Ducks are waterfowl, meaning they live near water, lakes, rivers, ponds, and wetlands. Water is more than a home, it's a way of life for them. Did you know duck feathers are waterproof? Thanks to a special oil gland, they coat their feathers with oil, making water slide right off. Ducks are social animals. They travel in flocks and stick together, whether swimming, flying, or feeding. Mother ducks lay their eggs near water. After about 28 days, the eggs hatch, and the ducklings can swim almost immediately. Yes, ducks can fly. While some species prefer staying close to the ground or water, others migrate thousands of kilometers each year. Ducks eat a mix of plants, insects, and small fish. Their wide, flat beaks help them filter food right out of the water. There are over 120 species of ducks across the globe, each with unique colors, sizes, and sounds. But all of them are amazing in their own way. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more wildlife wonders. See you next time with a brand new animal friend.